At Siemens Energy, we have launched our new service approach for overhead power line inspection. Today, overhead power line inspection is mostly a manual process. With our new approach, we use software and automation to make this faster and more precise. So the experts who are responsible for repairs and maintenance can use their valuable time to concentrate on more urgent and important tasks. We do not only rely on what our eyes can see. Instead, we have developed a so-called multi-sensor system to collect different types of data simultaneously. We then process the data with our custom-developed artificial intelligence data analytics software. On the multi-sensor system, we use multiple ultra-high-definition color cameras, a 3D laser scanner, and also thermal imaging and corona cameras. This is a modular system that we use in several different configurations on manned helicopters as well as in unmanned aerial vehicles. During a typical power line inspection flight, our solution efficiently and accurately identifies all the potential hotspots. In a conventional scenario, this is done manually, which is time-consuming, therefore expensive and usually also less accurate. Digitalization and the domain expertise of Siemens Energy play an important role in this regard.
Relying on computer vision and AI-based methods, we automatically detect, identify and inventorize components of the power line. The digital twin contains the identified components like different kinds of insulator, weights, clamps, bird protector and also their exact location in 3D. All in all, the Siemens Energy solution generates around 100 gigabytes of raw data per kilometer of the power line. This is then processed by the Siemens Energy Smart Data Analytics software.
So how does our customer benefit from this impressive amount of data? We provide them with detailed inspection reports and data models.
The inspection report includes all potential findings of the relevant object classes. Our product is a powerful tool when it comes to vegetation and transmission line right-of-way issues. The solution calculates the distance of the surrounding vegetation to the overhead line and highlights where it is getting too close. A similar approach is applied in the case of tree-fall simulations and man-made objects located in the direct vicinity.
Based on the experiences we made, we at Siemens Energy are already working on the next steps, transforming how aerial power line inspection will be carried out in the future. Together with partners, we are working on the unmanned version of our concept, with a long-range and high-performance UAV. This is our shared vision of a fully automated inspection process. We at Siemens Energy believe that our comprehensive manned-unmanned automated service is a game changer for overhead power line inspection.